So this video is to show you how to install packages in RStudio. I am using RStudio Cloud or Posit Cloud. I have here in this panel my script that I am going to open to see if I need a couple of packages. And you can see it opens the script, and it also gives me a little warning here in yellow. So it's telling me I need to install a couple of packages. So I'm just going to click here where it says install, and it's going to do its thing. Installing the packages, and you're going to see a lot of red warnings here. That's normal. You didn't do anything wrong. You can also see the progress bar and the background jobs tab. So this may take a minute, it may take 2 minutes. It really varies on how many packages you're installing and how fast your computer is. Okay, so it finished installing the packages and all the dependencies that were necessary. Now let me show you how to other ways you can install packages. You can also go here into the packages tab, and if you know the name of the package that you want to install, for example, let's see, DevTools, that's one that I've seen that I use often. You can also just check here, and it will do kind of like the same thing. It will do a little bit of red ink warnings, and it will install it. The other option that you have to install packages is going into Tools, Install Packages, and you can search for the package. Let's look for another one. Let's call it CCA, which is used for canonical correlation, and then you just hit Install. And it will do the same thing. We just saw a lot of red ink until it's finally installed. Finally, the last way of installing a package would be to actually using the code. So I'm going to type install packages, install. And I like that RStudio gives me the option to look for what I want to use. It's dot packages. And then I put in quotes whatever package I want to use. Let's say I want to use the GG package. So this would install it, and then if I want to use it for this session, I would use library, parentheses, GG. Oops. And that's it. If you want to simplify this code, you could also have the name of the package, like GG. And oh, here's the example, and have the 2 colons, and that's going to call the package, and it will install it as well, like that. And then here you would have, after the colons, you would have the function that you want to use, and it's actually giving me all of the options. So let's pick this one. I actually haven't used it, but that's what I would do. So it puts the function in there, and then inside you would put the appropriate parameters to use that function from that package. So this is basically doing what this is doing, but it's doing it in just one line of code.